Hey everyone, it's Tammy Lee with Gulf Coast Journeys, and today we are at the Golf Babe house. It's managed by Beach Ball Properties, so you can use code GOLFJOURNEY to save on your stay. Right when you walk in here, there's a great bathroom with a tub, and the first bedroom here. Really great space. I love the pillow of Fred. And we are on the first floor. Give you a look at the entrance, so cute and pink. Great kitchen here, tons of space. There's a pantry here, washer, dryer, so everything you need is here on site. This house would be perfect for a girlfriend's getaway, bachelorette party, even a family getaway. I do think about a girlfriend's getaway here and how much tea could be spilled with a great glass of wine from Golf Babe on this couch. We could have a good time chatting on this couch. It's like perfect for lounging with friends and just catching up. There's a really nice back area here. This house is in Somersault, so there is an outdoor pool just around the corner with zero entry. Here is the primary. Great bed, lots of space. This room is fantastic. There's so much space in here. Ensuite bathroom with both a really nice walk-in shower, toilet of course, and a fantastic soaking tub. We will head upstairs so you can see the other two bedrooms that are upstairs. Okay, we just came up the stairs to the second level, and there are two rooms here on the second level. Here's the first one. Great bunk bed area. This room has its own ensuite. It's a shower tub combo here. And as we walk around, this second bedroom also has its own ensuite. Fantastic bed. Lots of space here. This house is in Somersault. There's a really great zero entry pool, little putting green. This one has a really nice walk-in shower. This house would be great, like I said, for friends, bachelorette party, family getaway. It's the Golf Babe house with Beach Ball Properties. Use code GOLFJOURNEY to save.